how to turn your online audience into customers. Getting plenty of visibility on search ranking is fantastic for brand exposure, but if you want a supercharged business, you need to turn your audience into customers. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. One of the best ways to generate interest in your site is search engine optimized content. This means that every piece of content you produce and upload to your website needs to be researched to answer queries by users. Once this content is online, you then need to tell search engines where to find it, which is where indexing comes in, to return search results that match what people are looking for. While SEO is organic, there are other forms of online marketing which target individuals and groups. When you run a search on search engines, you may notice that the top results may have paid ad written next to them. These are what are called pay-per-click adverts under the wider umbrella of search engine marketing. When you post an advert online, you are bidding on keywords that people search for. Ads always display on the top and bottom of the page, and where you will only be charged money if someone clicks on the advert, irrespective of whether they make a purchase or not. Online ads are a good source of fast conversions, but organic content does return more results over time. To be truly effective in the digital sphere, a happy balance needs to be found in both organic search and PPC ads. Knowing where to start based on where you are is always a good strategy when conducting digital marketing campaigns. If you have a best-selling service in the physical world, it would probably follow suit that this would work in the digital world. This does not always hold true, but it is a good place to start. Also, if you are a retail business, for example, do not overreach. Keep things in check. Always study the market and your analytics. Understanding your business is key to monetizing fast. If you can keep your finger on the pulse, you will quickly realize what is working and what is not, allowing you to make smarter decisions to monetize your brand, product, or service. At Fairtech, we've created a blueprint that helps you identify your fastest way to cash through the right online marketing efforts to feed your business. The goal is to reach into more consistent cash flow so you can scale your business. We introduce learners to our 12 pillars, which we've used in our business for many years to make our clients successful. It helps you identify where you are and start working on the next best step for your business, those strategies that will give you the fastest way to cash. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at top SEM bidding practices. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.